Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix HTML5 video not found error in Google Chrome. So if you are getting this HTML5 video file not found error in Chrome browser, so here follow the steps to fix this problem. Open Chrome and in Chrome search for Chrome Web Store and open it. Then in search extension search for VPN and enter. Now you can install any VPN of your choice from here, or if you have already installed VPN app on your PC, then simply connect to a VPN and select different location than your current location, and then you can check HTML5 video not found error is solved or not. If not, then click on these three dots and then go to settings, then click on privacy and securities, then click on delete browsing data and then clear the browsing data. You can select last 24 hours or 7 days, but keep a note that you will lose all the browsing history. So you can clear the browsing data and click on delete data, and after that you can check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then click on this extension icon and then click on manage extension and disable all the extension, and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. So go to settings, then click on help and then click on about Google Chrome. Here you will see updating Chrome, and after the Chrome get updated, relaunch, close the Chrome browser and then again relaunch the Chrome browser and then check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then you can try different web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Brave browser or Microsoft Edge browser, and then you can check if the problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you are able to fix HTML5 video not found error in Chrome browser. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.